You work hard, you provide, you succeeded. You've built a career, the family, the income. But let's cut the crap for a second. How do you actually feel? And I'm not talking about your LinkedIn headline, not your latest performance bonus. I'm talking about you inside. How do you feel? I'm talking to you, the high performance man, maybe in your late 20s, 30s, maybe even 40s. Maybe ticked all the boxes, but yet you're still quietly feeling like you're losing your edge. You wake up feeling tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. Well, is running thin as hell. The pressure feels heavier and ever each time. You snap at your kids at the stupid little things. You see with your wife, but you feel miles apart. Your sex drive, let me ask you, where's it gone? There's no sex drive, right? Your gut is bloated, your brain is foggy, and negativity just feels like it's creeping in every single week. And it's getting worse. You're still training, but deep down, you're not training and it's not feeling like you used to. And some questions probably starting to creep in. And you're asking yourself, how you getting older? Is it age? Is this the new normal? Let me tell you, bro, it's not. This is not the new normal. Listen, bro, you're not weak and you're not lazy. And your hustle, trust me when I say that's not the problem. The problem is the game has changed, but your system hasn't. Still the same. Modern life is quietly messing men like you. You're addicted to dopamine like a junkie, scrolling nonsense on social media all day. Your food, half of it is chemicals and messing your hormones completely. The stress is always there in the background like a ticking time bomb. The distractions, well, they're everywhere. The brotherhood, where is it? It feels like it's nearly extinct. Your purpose, well, this has been watered down into you being busy. And here's the scary part. Testosterone levels today are up to 40% lower than our dads and granddads at our age. And that's not luck, that's more than life grinding you down. And by the way, it's sneaky. It's not one massive crash, it's slow. 5 kg here, 10 kg later, your gut is bloated, your sleep gets worse, your sex drive fades, you start snapping at home. Then one day you wake up, you look in the mirror and think, how the hell did I end up here? And the thing is, you're no longer thriving, not the man you know you should be. And by the way, I know this because I lived it. On paper, my life was killing it. I was getting promotions, I was growing in my career, I was providing for my family, we're going on holidays every other term. But inside, I was absolutely wrecked. I was burnt out. My gut was a mess. I was having mood swings like an hormonal teenager. My patience was gone. And I kept grinding. I was acting as if it was just a phase until my body one day just slammed the brakes, not once, twice. Full system shut down, literally. And it is what most men never realize. No new training split is going to help you. No strict diet is going to support you or give you more energy. No tougher grind was ever going to fix it because fitness was never the full problem. I can tell you that. My entire operating system was just broken. The fitness industry, well, is still selling men the same recycled crap. Lift heavier, bro. Join the gym, bro. Clean up your diet, bro. Push harder, bro. Grind through it, bro. If that actually worked, you wouldn't be watching this video right now, would you? You don't need another hustle phase. You need a completely freaking system upgrade. That's what you need. This is why I built the Peak Wellness Man Method. It's not a workout plan. It's not a diet plan. It's not another 6-week workout dopamine hit. It's a full rebuild, inside out. 7 pillars that most men never been taught, but every single man needs. All right, bro. Without further ado, let me share the 7 pillars. First, identity clarity. So let me ask you, who are you? Who are you? If we strip away the job title, the salary, your LinkedIn profile, who are you? By the way, most men freeze right there because their entire self-worth is attached to external bullshit. When your identity is rock solid, trust me when I say you become unshakable. A father, a husband, protector, a leader, a role model. So let me ask you, are you leading your life or are you reacting to it? Two is discipline systems. Here's the truth. Motivation, it's a little bitch. Probably know that already. Shows up when life is easy and is gone when life gets hard. Discipline, that's building systems that run on autopilot. Even when life feels like shit, you don't think about brushing your teeth, do you? Well, at least I don't. We turn your training, your nutrition, your habits into automatic weapons. That's what we do. You control your habits or they control you. Simple. Three is physical resilience. Okay. This is key. This is not about you getting shredded for Ibiza or getting a six pack for the summer holidays. It's not about that. It's about building a body that can actually handle your life, your stressful life, your busy life. That belly fat, it's not just the extra weight, it's messing up with your hormones completely, man. Your testosterone is dropping, cortisol rises, inflammation builds, and you know it is, and it's keeping you stuck. And you're in this loop, constant loop. When we rebuild your strength, your fat in your gut is gonna come off naturally. Your hormones are gonna be reset. You're gonna start sleeping better. Your gut is going to heal. You're gonna become dangerous again, but calm, in control. So ask yourself, is your body an asset or a liability to you? Fourth is mental mastery. Life is not going to get easier, my friend. Pressure is not going to magically disappear. That's not going to happen. But your ability to handle it changes everything. Chronic stress literally rewires your brain, shrinking your ability to focus, stay calm, and lead like you're supposed to. That's why we train your nervous system directly, your breath control, your emotional regulation, nervous system resets, so you can stay calm under chaos. When the storm hits, do you lead or you panic? The fifth one is leadership in family. Physically, being at home means nothing. My question is, are you present? Are you present for your kids, for your family? Or are you scrolling while your kids are asking for your attention? When you're centered, clear, and strong, you lead your home. You become a man your wife wants, the father your kids look up to, a role model, the rock your family trusts. So my question to you is, are you leading your home or are you just there, existing in it? Sixth one is spiritual anchor. Powerful. At some point, bro, let me tell you, man, the titles, the bonuses, the car, the house, they're gonna stop filling the hole, man. You need meaning. You need a mission. You need something bigger than you. We're gonna make sure we anchor you back to your purpose, your real why. And we're gonna go levels deep so we can figure that out. So are you building a legacy or are you just stacking trophies? The seventh one is brotherhood. And look, I'll be honest, man. You probably heard the lone wolf story. I've been that guy as well. It's all Hollywood garbage. Lone wolves die alone, bro. Trust me. Men thrive when they are in a brotherhood. You need a tribe of men who are holding you accountable. That's when you grow. That's when you become better. People that can challenge you, who call you out in your bullshit. That's facts, bro. And you need that. Iron sharpens iron. You probably heard that before. So my question to you is, who's sharpening you right now? Who's sharpening you now? When you rebuild these seven pillars, you're gonna wake up feeling power again. You're going to perform better at work, but from a place of calm, peace, not panic. You're going to connect deeply with your family. You're going to walk into every single room with quiet confidence. You're going to stop existing and you're going to start leading, because one day your kids are going to look you in the eye and ask you, is this the man that I look up to? Is this the man that I want to become? The weak avoid this moment. The strong face it and act. That's why I build my private coaching and I'm building this community of men, a brotherhood. If you're sick of drifting, if you know you got way more to give as a man, and I'm not just talking about just having a better body. You want to become a stronger man mentally, physically, spiritually, then join me. Book a private call. We're going to map it out together. No hype, no fluff. And look, if you're tired of playing small, I'm going to help you reclaim your power, because strong men build strong families and strong families build strong futures.